Are you planning on switching to Canva, upgrading to Canva Pro, or maybe you want to get the most out of Canva for your business? In this video, I'm giving you the breakdown on how to unlock the power of Canva and 10 of Canva's newest features that you need to start using now. I'm not talking next week, next year, or anytime after that. I'm talking about now. Let's jump right into it, guys. I'm ready. Canva is a top-rated graphic designing tool, and it has revolutionized the way people create designs. Not only is it user-friendly, but with its awesome features, it has become the go-to graphic designing tool for businesses of all sizes and for users of literally any background. So whether you're new to Canva or whether you're a pro designer, Canva is that go-to tool. And with its latest features, here's what. Canva is taking things to a whole new level, and trust me, if you're not utilizing these features or if you don't know about these features, you are missing out. One of the most exciting features that everybody is raving about is the magic design. So with this feature, you can create on-brand design templates that is created based on your assets. With the magic design feature, it is particularly useful for those with a weak design background but still need to create high quality graphics for their business or for personal projects. With these features, users can input their assets, so you can upload your images or any other asset you deem necessary, and it will create an on-brand template for your business that is perfect for use. With these features, it saves you a lot of time and effort while ensuring that your designs remain consistent and on brand. The second feature is the magic presentation. So pretty much you can start out with a blank canvas and end with a deck full of content. So maybe you've been scratching your head, you need to work on this presentation, you're not sure where to start. With this awesome feature, you can just go in with a blank canvas, give it a prompt, and in no time it will generate all the content that you need, and then you can just go in and make the necessary changes to make your presentation wow. The magic presentation feature is perfect for anyone who needs to create presentations regularly. So if you're tired of staring at a blank page when you're starting a new presentation, then this feature is definitely for you, right? Because what it does ultimately is to provide a solution of generating your first draft of your presentation. And like I said earlier, pretty much it gives you all the content, but it's your duty now to go in and make the necessary changes. With a few words outlining your idea, just watch magic presentation do its job. The third feature is the magic edit magic eraser tool. Now this tool is again powered by AI. I'm telling you, Canva is dropping all the magic everywhere, and it is powered by AI. They've even revolutionized the way you edit your photos, so you don't have to think about complicated tools or trying to learn complicated tools, because all the magic is in Canva. So if you want to swap out one image for another, or if you just want to get rid of distractions on a photo, then this tool is for you. So thanks to the magic edit and magic eraser tool, complicated tools and time-consuming skills are a thing of the past. Now you can just simply remove unwanted distractions from your photos in the blink of an eye. And like I said, if you want to swap out one image for another, in that case, what you'll do is to select the element that you want to replace, describe that new element you want to add, and Canva will generate it for you. And this feature can save users significant time and effort, particularly when you need to make a lot of changes at once. So there's no need to be spending hours trying to remove clutter from your photo that you probably want to use for social media or for your website. So let's say goodbye to the frustration of complicated photo editing tools, especially if we don't have that skill, and say hello to the effortless ease of magic eraser and the magic edit tool. Try it out today and see how you can transform your photos in just a snap. Number 4 is the Magic Write feature. So Magic Write was introduced to Canva last year and it has taken off in a whole new way. So users have been utilizing that feature to create social media captions, blog posts, content for their websites, and so many other ways. And Canva has now introduced the Magic Write to its entire visual suite. So regardless of the design you'll be creating in Canva, you can utilize Magic Write to help you create compelling content that you can publish on your website, social media, or even on your blog. The Magic Write feature has proven to be a game changer, and like I said, it is available across the entire visual suite of Canva, and that includes your website, your presentations, your social media, your whiteboards, and so much more. Any single thing that you're creating in Canva, you can use the Magic Write feature. From streamlining your lengthy website copy to brainstorming new ideas for a strategy deck, you can now utilize this feature seamlessly across all your design projects. And it is also available in 21 different languages. Now that is what we call a big deal. And Canva is really good at listening to their users and providing exactly what users want. Canva know that it's not only English users they have. They know that they have users who have different language backgrounds or are from different backgrounds and everything. And so they have made the tool available in 21 different languages. I can't tell you how impressed I am with this particular feature. Number 5 is the Translate tool. Now this is one of my favorite tools, and I can think about all the ways I'll be utilizing this tool in my very own business. So like it says, it's a Translate tool, and you can translate from one language to another, and it is available for over 100 languages. Like I said, Canva is just really good at listening to their users. They know their users, and they're providing the features and tools that they know that users can utilize with ease. So the Translate tool is an impressive new feature, and it allows users to communicate across borders and to reach a wider audience. With this tool, you can simply add text to your design, select the language that you want to translate it into, and instantly it converts your text to the language of your choice. Like I said, for me, I think this is just really impressive because it's inclusive and it allows users of every single background to be a part of Canva and to easily utilize Canva. So this tool is particularly incredible, and it's a value-added tool for businesses and individuals who are looking to expand their reach. And for those who just need to reach a wider audience, it just makes life so much easier. You can try out this tool and let me know what you think in the comments below. Which one of these features have you been loving so far? If you want to try any of these features free for 30 days, you can click the link in my description to access Canva Pro free for 30 days. I'm talking about being able to utilize any of these features across the entire visual suite of Canva. Number 6 is the Draw tool, which is a great addition to Canva for my creatives who loves to sketch and scribe freehand. With this new addition to Canva, the Draw tool allows you to sketch and scribe with freehand drawings or annotations. The integrated shape assistant is also a game changer, as it converts basic shapes into flawlessly refined ones. So maybe you are going to just draw a circle, and of course, you know, it's not going to be a perfect circle. With Canva's assistive feature, what it does is to turn that scrappy sketch or drawing feature into a more polished, refined feature. So you can draw across any design with ease regardless of its type. And I absolutely love this because it's innovative and it can just magically recognize what you're creating, smooth it out into the shape that you want it to a more polished look. So there's no need to worry about shaky lines, uneven curves, or anything like that. Number 7 is the Beat Sync. Now, if you have been sleeping on creating videos, or maybe you're struggling with creating videos, this feature is going to be perfect for you, because here's what it's going to make video creating much easier. Like I said, Canva has made it much easier to create videos with the beat sync feature, and it allows you to synchronize your footage to the beat of your chosen music track in just one click, right? So this feature allows you to save a lot of time, so you don't even have to worry about like the complex video editing features that you don't know anything about, especially as a beginner just starting out, right? And this feature, like I said, makes it much easier for you to create engaging and entertaining videos that captures your audience attention. And we're in this era of videos, of creating videos. Videos are everywhere. It's on the billboards, it's on social media, it's on websites, it's literally everywhere. And I love the fact that Canva has been making the lives of every single user much easier. Number 8 is the text to image feature. Now this is one of the features that I've been testing out, and one of the things I love about it is that it takes my visual idea and makes it a reality. I'm also very big on seeing images or including images that is inclusive or diverse, and so with this feature I think Canva has done a really great thing. The text to image feature is a game-changing feature and has revolutionized the way we work with images in Canva. And so like I said, what it does is takes your process of bringing your visual ideas to life that you have never seen before, and it makes it much easier for you to just create and just to be more creative, right? It helps you to stretch your creativity. So if you have ever found yourself like struggling to find the perfect image to represent a specific idea, then what you can do with this feature is just simply write a description, and within seconds you create a unique and personalized image that perfectly captures your vision. Again, one of the things about this feature is that it is AI powered. Literally, Canva has been just changing the entire game with AI powered design tools, and the text to image feature is one such feature. Number 9 is the create animation feature. Now what I love about this is that it helps you to add your own creativity and your own personal style to animation. So of course Canva is loaded with all the great animations you can think about for your videos and that kind of thing, but with this new feature and the demand for video content across all platforms, Canva has made it easier for everyone to create professional and engaging videos with just a few clicks. One of their latest feature is, like I said, the create animation, and it allows you to bring your designs to life with stunning animations. So simply draw the path that you want to create with your animation in terms of just what you want it to look like, how you want it to flow, and you can just adjust the speed along the way and the magic will happen. And number 10 is the brand hub. So the brand hub is pretty much where you can find all your branding templates, all your logo, your text, and just bringing everything together to make your brand cohesive and on brand. So pretty much, here's the thing about me. I love to see designs, and I'm very big about pushing for persons to create designs that are cohesive and on brand. And with the brand hub, I think it's just one of the best things Canva could have done, especially in a space where, you know, you're communicating with your audience, you're engaging your audience. Be useful for businesses and individuals to maintain the consistent branding across all their designs. So whether you're creating for social media, your website, presentations, you know, even just as simply your business cards, whatever it is you're doing, with the brand hub, it's just the centralized location where users can find their brand templates, your guidelines, your fonts, your graphics, your logos, and all the projects that you're creating, right? And it makes it easy for you to create your brand kit. If you have not watched my video on how to create a brand kit and the importance of a brand kit, you want to click the link in my description. I gave a pretty detailed breakdown on how to create a brand kit. And plus, you know, this brand hub also is a space where you can set your brand controls and create brand guidelines for your business or brand. And this one is especially great for persons who have a team. So whether it's a large team or a small team, it's it's where other users just can go in and see what your brand represents, the colors you're using, the fonts you're using, and it just saves you a lot of time and effort, especially when it comes to creating your designs, right? Because we know we don't have all the time in the world, and when you're creating designs, not only do you want to create them quickly, but you want to create them on brand, and you want it to be cohesive and to communicate what you're trying to say to your audience, right? Now tell me, which one of these features will you be utilizing in your business? I can tell you off the top of my head, like the features that I love, and I'd love to hear which ones you love. Leave a comment below. Let me know which ones you like. Let me know which ones you are going to start using today. And I can tell you, for me, I am loving the Magic Write feature. I've been utilizing that feature with Canva Docs. I have a video coming out about that, so you want to check that out. But outside of that, I am loving the Magic Design feature. I'm loving the Magic Presentation. I'm loving the translation tool. I'm thinking about all the ways I can particularly use that feature. And I am also loving the text to image, just to stretch, my visual ideas a little bit more. And I am loving the beat to sync feature for videos. No, at this point you're like, but Carey, you love all the features, you're going to use them all, and that is right. If you want to try these features for free for 30 days, you can click the link in my description where you can try, like I said, Canva Pro free for 30 days, right? I mean, a lot of people are now switching to Canva based on these 10 latest feature releases by Canva. I'm telling you, I am always so amazed by Canva, not only just as an ambassador, but just as someone who values and really appreciates a company that listens to their users. If you want to know about the bonus features that is now also available in Canva, you're going to want to check out my next video on some of the bonus features that Canva has introduced in the past week. Right? So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, bye.